itendekere rero bahati rumabeja bari kurenga 500 ku rwombeceka by'ihanga bitari bimwe na bimwe ku nkabeja aba beine buraro hoteliho naho kushomera bwanyuma y'Ebizimbe beine kuba biri bikuru munonga kandi n'ibiriho bifunzire umwe Abeegi Pius Happy nagira ngo uburaro bari kuraramo buri kumanywanka half London buri mu mbera mbi munonga ishaha yona basa ko batungamira.
For me, when I reached here, I found the place had already congested, then they had to shift me to this half London. This house of ours, it is called half London. I don't know where the name came from, but here life would be clear. But the problem is we have no urinals. If you want to urinate, you have to move just very far.
Undijo mweji Peter Muhumuza nawe nagira ngo buraro bwabo bufunzire munonga wagerageranisa numbare gw'Abeegi abari mu itendekereri hejuru kutamagara gabo mukabi kamani.
We are very many in the room. We don't have any breathing space in it. But since most of us were fresh and it was our first time, they compacted us there. So we try to raise our issues to they called the Guilty Council. They could not even listen.
Urumukuru w'itendekereri Richard Kasaye ubuzubona nabwegekera sente kucendera ezibabiri nibatunga bwanyuma y'endwara ya COVID-19.
We are just recovering because first of all we lost revenue during that time. We could not chase away some of the workers who are paid locally. We started and we continue to pay them, and yet we are not having revenue.
Ngo muringo gwo kugezaho kurwanisa kizibu ekiri mu itendekereri abebembezi b'ishomero bakacamo kutandika gukora za nursery beds bari kutamu embibo z'emiti n'ekigenderera cyo kugiguza okubasa kwihira mu sente.
The proceeds from this nursery help us to procure more equipment and materials for training the students.
Ekizibu ky'Ebizimbe kikiri no matu g'Abeegi abashomereho mu itendekereri bebembirwe Boazi basigirenda kandi aba bacire mu kutandika kwerundana mu sente kurebekangu bagira Ebizimbe bahunduza.
Alumni, all of us 2020, how many are we? Look for colleagues, coordinators, 2,000. We all bring 20,000. We can even renovate that Rukuba. And that's what now we are doing. We are going to get a target. We get the costings. If we don't look for that money, we don't come back here.
Makuraga gashakwa gada saba Sky TV agenshonga muri Masindi.